It's quiet now. The city's fading from my skin. I close the door and breathe again. Streetlight shimmer through the glass. Let another long day pass. Keys are resting on the shelf. Tonight I finally meet myself. No more voices calling out, only silence all around. Every step growing slow, leaving all the noise below. After the noise, I hear my heart, soft as the rain, where the healing starts. After the noise, nothing to hide, only the night right here by my side. Amber light across the room, gentle shadows start to bloom. Coffee warm in tired hands. Everything now understands. No more running, no disguise.